back to my channel. My name is ENSHLIE, or welcome if you're new. I haven't been on my channel for quite a minute, especially with a makeup tutorial. So in today's video, I'm gonna do an all drugstore makeup tutorial using mostly Joah products, which is this cute little brand right here. They are freaking adorable. I'm gonna show you the products throughout the way, but for right now, I just wanna get to it, so let's get started. If you guys wanna become a part of my unicorn fam, you can go ahead and subscribe down below and leave a little comment when you subscribe as well, so I can welcome you into the fam. I usually never do my brows on camera, but in today's video, I'm gonna be doing it with this cute little product right here. The Joah Brow Down to Me Brow Pencil and Gel. And this product is super cool because it has a brow pencil here, and on the opposite side, if you open it up, it has a little gel. You get your 2-in-1, and it's a drugstore product. If you guys know me, you guys know that I don't really do first impressions. I like to test out the products beforehand, before coming on here and telling you like, hey, it's freaking amazing, just from one day. So I have tried out, I keep dropping everything, sorry. I have tried these products beforehand and they're really good, which is why I'm sitting down here and talking to you guys about it. Alright, so I'm gonna use the brow pencil first, and I'm just gonna start at the bottom. And I haven't done my brows in quite a minute, just because I go through this phase where like I hate my brows and I want them to grow out so I can, you know, shape them again. You know what I love about this product? This isn't too harsh, because if you try other brow pencils, it just goes on extremely harsh and then you get the mean brows. This one just goes on so soft. So look how clean that brow is. Thank you to Joah for sending me these amazing products. I really like them. This video is not sponsored at all. I just like to do tutorials on things that I like, that I feel like you guys might like. I didn't get their concealer, but I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. And I'm actually thinking about doing my face first. I never do that either, but I really like how it turned out the last couple of times that I've done it. So I want to show you guys how I did that. So I'm just gonna prime my eyes and then I'm gonna prime my face. And I usually clean my brows with the same concealer brush thing. So that's what I'm doing right now. I like to get the tail just so it looks a little bit more sharp. And I'm gonna be using my Morphe Sponge in order to blend that out on my eyes. I used to love concealers that were like way lighter. Now I kind of like the whole natural under eye look. I just feel like it looks so much more flawless versus having all this white stuff under your eyes. Looks much cuter for sure. What I want to do now is, and I am going crazy about this product because I do not like primer at all, but I was even scared to try this because I feel like primers break me out. But this one is a Joah Glow Activator, and this is a radiance primer. It has like little gold shimmers in it. It's super cute. I love it, and that's mainly why I wanted to try it, because I was like, what would that do to my face? So I actually tried it out and I think it's freaking amazing. This primer blurs out your face and makes your foundation go on perfectly smooth. I am so obsessed with this brand. It's like they try to mimic K-Beauty. So all the packaging is literally so freaking insanely beautiful. Like I can't even deal with it. As you guys, as I keep doing my makeup, you guys will see what I'm talking about. But even this product right here, I mean, this doesn't even look drugstore. It looks luxurious. It looks like so pretty. It has like an oily type of feel to it, but it comes out like a gel type of formula. The next product I want to go in with is the Joah Truly Yours Foundation. This one is in Classic Ivory, and I don't know how they got my shade perfect. They sent me this bottle and I was shook because it matched me so well. And I was like, y'all really like matching really well. Like whoever matches, thank you, because it matches me perfectly. It's a natural finish foundation drop. How beautiful is this packaging? Okay, again, with the packaging, it's beautiful. I usually use 3 drops. For some reason, I've really been liking how my foundation goes on with a brush. I kind of use a beauty blender just to make sure everything is in place, but I'm gonna go ahead and use a fiber brush. This is a Sigma one, but Real Techniques has one that you guys can use. That one is really good as well. I just have this one handy. My other one I put in my makeup kit for my clients, so that's where that one is. And like, look, you can see the color and how good it matches my neck. It just matches me perfectly. It's kind of weird, and it goes on so smooth with the primer underneath. I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro concealer. This is in the shade Toffee, and I'm just gonna use that to contour my face, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. I'll get some and I'll start right here. I like to bring that down and right about there, and we're gonna go back later to, you know, blend all of that out. I'm putting some down here because when you do that, your lips look more pouty, like they pout out a lot more. I kind of like to do the crease. Once you start applying the eyeshadow, it just looks super cool. Now I'm just gonna blend that out, and I'm gonna be using my Fenty foundation brush. I want to start here, and I just want to bring it in versus bringing it out. And when you're doing your cheek right here, you want to go up. You don't want to blend it down because then that kind of defeats the purpose. So you see, we kind of have like that natural blend right there, which is perfect. It's exactly what you want. I really don't like wearing jewelry anymore. I don't know, I just don't like the feeling of jewelry on me, so that's why you guys usually never see me with jewelry. And if you do, it'll be like the same pair of earrings. If you don't like it, then you don't really have to wear it just because you're a girl or whatever the case may be. You know how they're extra about us women and our jewelry. I don't know, maybe I'll get back into it one day, but for now, I'm not a fan. I'm gonna go in with a smaller detail brush for my nose and my eyes. And now I want to go in with my, I look kind of crazy right now, but it'll all come together. I want to go in with my concealer, and then after I apply my concealer, I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender and blend everything out, and it'll look so much better. So I've been thinking about getting a fake tan. I was looking into the loving tan thing, but I'm not sure how I feel about it because I've seen girls that look so pretty, but I don't know how I feel about that on myself. Have you guys ever done that before? Like, if you have, let me know down in the comments because I'm really confused as to whether or not I want to do that. Okay, and now I'm gonna set my face. And basically what I'm gonna use is the Joah Selfie Ready setting powder. It's a translucent powder. They sent me this in the mail as well with everything else. It has 0.5 ounces in there, so pretty fair amount. I think it's really cute. The packaging is cute. This is my favorite color, by the way. I'm so clumsy, but this is my favorite color. Alright, so I'm baking my face now, and while I do that, my whole powder literally spilled everywhere, and I can't deal. I'm gonna be using the Joah Birthday Suit eyeshadow palette. This is super cute. It's all neutrals. I'm gonna be using the shade Cappuccino, and I want to start at the crease. And wow, that's pretty dark. I mean, it's not gonna look natural, to be honest. I don't know natural. So let's start there. I really don't know natural. We don't know her. And I forgot to tell you guys, I had put it in my kit so I didn't bring it out, but Joel sent me this beautiful handheld mirror. It's super cute, so I'm gonna actually continue doing my makeup with this. I kind of want to use whipped cream and then work my way around these. And I'm gonna grab a flat brush for that, and I kind of want to like tap it on there so I can fake a cut crease type of look. Now I will say that the product has a lot of fallout, so it's a little bit harder to work with. The next color I want to use is called Pleased, which is the third one right here, and this one is going to go more in the center of my eyelid. This shade right here called Evil, and I want to use that right here just to create kind of like a definition in my eye. I don't know, you guys tell me what you think about this palette. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I really appreciate them sending it to me, and I'm able to review it for you guys, of course. It doesn't look bad at all. It's just very hard to blend it out, to be honest, especially that darker shade. I kind of placed it here and it won't move much. Line my eyes. I'm going to do a quick line, not a wing line or anything crazy like that. I'm going to be using these lashes by SAUCY Lashes. They're the Caster lashes, my favorite everyday going out type of lashes. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. And they didn't send me a blush, but I thought this would be perfect for it. They sent me a lipstick and it's called the Joah I'm Your Jelly Babe Matte Gel Lipstick. This is in the color Babe. So we're gonna put this on our cheeks and we're gonna blend that out. We'll go back to the eyes, but meanwhile I want to put on some highlight. This is Be My Everything highlighter palette by Joah, and they sent me their Joah fan brush, which is super cute. So I want to use this first shade right here. It's kind of like a mirrored, kind of glossy shade, which looks really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack some BURTS blush. This is in the shade Toasted Cinnamon. And just because I'm not really liking how my cheeks look, so I'm gonna use a more pointy brush for underneath, and I'm gonna grab the shade Cappuccino to blend all of that out underneath the eye. So I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and Joah sent me this Joah Ice Cream Volume and Divine Mascara. It is in my favorite color, first of all. It's my favorite color, and look how cute this tube is. I mean, it looks so expensive, so high class, so high end. I mean, I love it. And here's a brush so you guys can see it. As you can see, I've already used it and I really like it, but the brush is kind of like pointed downward. Pretty good. I like it. I use it every day. But I'm just gonna use this to put all my lashes together. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the same lipstick that I showed you guys earlier, and this might be a little bit too dark, but I am gonna tone it down a bit. So I'm just gonna mix some lipstick together, and to tone it down I'm gonna use a ColourPop strip, and I want to rave about this product meanwhile before I put it on. Okay, so the product I want to show you guys is another Joah product, and it's called the Mirror Lip Gloss. This is a color that they sent me, and this is a shade Ever After. Okay, guys, this lip gloss is so freaking good. It's like the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Yo, like, y'all know how Fenty Beauty is, so this is really good compared to Fenty Beauty because it's just as creamy and it doesn't feel like, I hate that feeling on. That's why I never wear lip gloss, but this one doesn't have that at all. So I've been using this daily, like whenever I don't wear makeup or like for work or something, because it's not as sticky. It just feels very hydrating. It has a flat brush, which I love for lip gloss. I don't like the pointy edged brush. Alright guys, so that is it for today's all drugstore makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a kind of like a one brand tutorial if you think about it, but if you guys enjoyed it, I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. I will be making more videos like this, and go check out my other videos meanwhile. I will link them down below or somewhere on this screen. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm mostly active, and Twitter as well. I will link them down here somewhere. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you guys want to message me privately, you can. I always love replying to all of you guys. Have an amazing day of the week or weekend if it is when you see this video.